Shalom. I want to start by giving all praise to Yahweh, Ba'asham Yahweh Shai, Wa Raka Kodash. A double honors to the apostles and elders of Great Millstone, and salutations to all Yahakim across the earth for doing this work in sincerity and in truth. Shalom. Well, this video is going to be a video in the Papiamento language. That's the language that speak on the islands, the so-called Dutch Antilles. You know, they speak it on Curacao and Aruba and the parts of Sint Maarten, you know. So, yes, well, bom, video aqui, me trabalha explica vos não, Kiko Ecolota, quem que Ecolota, de assunto vos não te chama Jesus, passou su nome não tá Jesus, you know, você, passou eta, sua nacionalidade tá hebreu, anto den hebreu, su nome tá outro. Maar komen we daar? We zullen daar kijken wat nog. In nome di Hesus, dat in nome di het bing voor Griek, no? Komen we daar? Nou, dan kan je zo noemen, dan kan je zo uiterlijk dan weer. Zo in nota, kijk, laat, dan zie je nog hoe Hesus, sunku hene nang te yama Jesus su nome ta Yahweh Shai, anto sunku bos nang te yama Jos su nome ta Yahweh ku Yahweh Shai. Well, nang siya nos ku Yahweh Shai ta un homber blanco ku cabello largo ku usato ku ta stima tu hene ku kiko no, pero no ta sina paso dia ku Yahweh Shai ta bini back. En nota bini papapia paso lasto bia ku ela bini na mundo ela bini papapia pero awaki en tabin papapia mas weet je awaki tabin tuna hene lo cual nan 5 años weet je bosa pero me video aqui me que explicamos nan su color anto também que explicamos nan ku nos hene nan kunanta yama negro hene nan di Indian na Aruba die op hene ku te comprender ku was nang voorouders dat we de Arawaka Indians, you know. Pero palabra Indian significa bruto, dus igual que hene blanco na hasi yenko is sushi conosco so. Pero awaki mi também explicamos nang kikuta ki ecolota di Yahweh Shai. Son kubos nang te llama Jesus. Su nome ta Yahweh Shai. Well, mi te bijna Revelations chapter 1. Mi te listen na English anto después mi te explique. Revelations chapter 1 verse 1. The revelations of Yahweh Shai, which Yahweh gave unto him to show unto his servants things which must shortly come to pass. And he sent and sanctified it by his angel unto his servant John. So John askibe a book the Revelations. Well, and to John daarbij explica het is denk prome hoofdstuk die Revelations het explica con Yahweh Shai tamira. Well, me comienza na okay, this Revelations chapter 1 verse 10. I was in the spirit on the Lord's day, and I heard behind me a great voice as of a trumpet. So John tabisa tabata sinti sumes bom, no? De dia Yahweh, no? Anto patrasi je, ela tende un stem masha durumes. And to verse 11, saying, I am Alpha and Omega. Stemmen die met de Alpha ku Omega. The first and the last. Es un prome, and to stame es un die last toe. And what thou seest, write in the book and send it unto the 7 churches which are in Asia. So, edi lo quabo tamira woki skibye. Anto mande na 7 misa nang kuta ding Asia. Anto Asia Minus, tabata ta kaminda unda Turkije ta awoki. Which are in Asia, unto Ephesus, and unto Simra, and unto Pergamos, and unto Thyatira, and unto Sardis, and Philadelphia, and unto Laodicea. I turned to see the voice that spake with me. Dus John, ela pira pawak the king apapi kune. And being turned, I saw 7 golden candlesticks. Dus ora ela mira siete golden candlesticks. Anto candlesticks that represent siete misanang. And in the midst of the 7 candlesticks, on like unto the Son of Man. Dus to mij ding candlesticks nang elamira Yahushai, clothed with a garment down to the foot. Dus ik was ki kueta bisti, tin bisti, ta ik was nang non stava ta bisti pome no sabay din slavernij. Baketch? En to ik ki nantayama garment nantayame. Verse 13. And in the midst of the 7 candlesticks, on like unto the Son of Man, clothed with a garment down to the foot, and girt about the paps with a golden girdle. So, wat waki, eting kos gordel di oro bisti. E tempo nang, e hende nang kuda bringa den soldaat nang, warriors nang, die antes, nang te bisti e kos nang pa proteja nang bosa ni bonire nang, weet je, tu e kos nang kubeting e ding, no? Anto eting undi di oro. So tata tra ku palu nang, weet je, een carpenter. Etapata un carpenter. Anto het tempo nang heen nang tariko, weet je. Boketch. Anto bisi. Also well eting un gode di oro bisti. Verse 14. His head and his hair were white like wool. So, anto kabay riba su cabez, su barba, su cabay, tabata blanco, anto manera wall. Basta wall die schaap, kom te bisa schaap din pavimento. Schaap, beting cabrito, beting auto na. Schaap, nanti wall, you know, pini riba cosa, let me work. Schaap. Wak, sakita significa sheep. Schaap. Holandês não tem schaap. Em inglês tá sheep. Assina sucabaita assina aqui. Blanco, anto estrutura tá assina aqui. Wak? Wall, meneer wool. Anto as white as snow, dus blanco meneer sneeuw. And his eyes were as a flame of fire. So woonang tabata kora. Anto no su woonang mens, pero e blanco di su woonang tabata kora. Wak. Ora no zijn het die stress, weet je. Ora no zijn het die stress, posa. E blanco di bewoord tabir kora, weet je. En totaal ko ora bota bebe hopi. Anto Yahushai etabatin hopi stress. Anto tabata bebe hopi bebinha. Usa? Hopi bebinha tabata bende. Bebe. Gamilese. Sakita Matthew, book of Matthew. Chapter 11, verse 19. Is ik het explicabel zo wonen. The Son of Man came eating and drinking. So Yahushua elabing come anto beer. And they say, behold, a man gluttonous. Dan aan die kita bebe te come hopi. And a wine bibber. Anto et a bebe hopi bebinja. A friend of publicans and sinners. Wak Yahushua te bing sempre ela bini na ehenan ku meste di salvación. Wasa? So si bokere ku batasi kos bong bonoting no tamesti you dance di Yahweh ku Yahweh Shai. What? A friend of publicans and sinners, but wisdom is justified of her children. So, what? Ita wise, no? Salami wak ita bay na mira Genesis chapter 49. Genesis hoofdstuk 49. His eyes shall be red with wine, and his teeth white with milk. So, nanti bisa suwowa tabi korra di bibia. Anto so gente nang blanco di leche. Anto leche significa knowledge. Ita sabi, weet je? Beketch? Ita sabi. Die umas speaker on tiki. No. Okay, back we meeting Revelation trove. Revelation chapter 1 versículo 5 verse 15. And his eyes and his feet like unto fine brass. Anto supia nang ta manera brass na holandês ta bronze ne papiamento minosa lagam wak simi po busque wak orde beting Olympische Spelen nang beting oro zilver anto ku brass. Wake? Anto, wak, nang zien nos ku jouw shaita homber blanco wak. Is kita gewoon normaal bres wake? Eti color kaba, eta color bruin. Die zo mes kaba wak. Anto, você sigue. Revelation chapter 1 verse 15. And his feet like unto fine brass, as if they burned in a furnace. Well, dat is pieta manera bronze aqui, manera na akima ding oven, za? Manera balaki koskima, well, e ora eta bira mas color escuro, boak? Eta bruin kaba, eta bira bruin color escuro. Beketch? Fine brass, meneer burn ding oven. Scoor, color tabira scoor, color scoor. And this voice as the sound of many waters. Wak no. Ora boting ons hende na. Wak ora nos ting nos topo ko otro, weet je. Laga bis nos topo ko otro toch. Want kom sa papia. Je leeuw, wat het in nos, no? Ora nos ta junto. Dos of tres di nos. Die homen nang di nos. Homen die Antia nang. Nos Antianos nang. Ni pa di nos ta papia. Veel leeuw wat het in nos. Well, Satanifica. Die verse 15. And his voice as the sound of many waters. Basa waterval nang. Kung ito zona, waterval. Well, Satanifica su number of su stem. Ta duro. Wak. Wake. Zie, kost meneer Saki. Wat wak busa kung dure koi kita zona. Verse 16. And he had in his right hand 7 stars. And in his countenance and out of his mouth went a sharp 2-edged sword, and his countenance was as the sun shineth in his strength. Wat je met daarbij na Daniel Daniel chapter just verse 5. Then I lift up my eyes and looked, and behold, a certain man clothed in linen. Sa kita explica, ta explica kung Yahweh zei daar ziet eruit. Then I lift up my eyes and looked, and behold, a certain man clothed in linen, whose loins were girded with fine gold of Uphaz. Sagte so gordel die oren. His body also was like the beryl, and the beryl ta piedra stali smaragd ikos nang piedra verde. Então aceita explicável é coqui que tem vestido. A garment. His body also was like the beryl, and his face as the appearance of lightning. Aceita significa ku etin hopi ku eta hopi sabi. And his eyes as lamps of fire. Dus color blanco di su wonen te cora. And his arms and his feet like in color to polished brass. De stali bronze trobe. And the voice of his words like the voice of a multitude. So stem tapata duro mane hopi hende junto. Baketch? So back to Revelations, met bij Revelation trobe. Verse 16. And he had in his right hand 7 stars, and out of his mouth went a sharp 2-edged sword. So tu kos quella papia, eta papia bedat no, eta musta hinder, eta musta hinder riba kos nanta hasi, was that? And his countenance was as the sun shineth in his strength. So yeah, saki mi yeah. Saki ta tu kos kumi ka tava ta kere explica pa award ki pa bos nang stop di kere ku Yahweh zei tava ta homber blanco. Catch? Wak, ora bota busca riba en nome de Hesus, bota mira coinki. Wak, coinki bota mira. Então, tem Bible tá escrito outro, e nota homo kuta assim aqui. Então, a Bible que a mita usa, henenang die Great Millstone ta usa, ta King James Bible. Então, a Bible ta how say? A Bible ta primeira Bible que wordt escrito em inglês, ver Hebreus en to ver Grieks nang vertalen, wak. Dus a outra Bible nang a Bible ki ni just 4 boekie kuna saka veje. Dat ding the King James Bible 1611 edition. So, dus ekoiki was nang tiku sakele fe bos nang kabes. So saki nota kijk wak malese den Bible kaba wak no saki nota kabay style sheep schaap. Zet kabay di cabrito. Wak. Anto etame te bisa su kabay tabata blanco dus wat is basa koi ken saki. Lubidari because. So yeah, well ook met klaar. De baitra mas video de papiamento paso hena nang na kusau Aruba se mata na bastante kulanta paso bastante ta hena nang di promise children nang di Israel basta yu nang di Israel ese bastante ta bastante kulanta ti hende ai riba ku kusa pero na notas explica no hende. Pero bastante começa a explicar a gente quem não está, porque o tempo está bem para Yahweh está bem back, então nós gente vamos não te culanta, você Well, with that, I'm going to give all praise to Yahweh, Ba'asham Yahweh Shai, Waharaka Kodash, a double honors to the apostles and elders of Great Millstone, and salutations to all Yakim across the earth who are doing this work and sincerity and truth. So with that, I'm going to say Shalom.